already. My spouse has been working on making this for me. So it's a homemade sheath and a homemade knife that was forged here. So it's got a blunted end, which is something that I wanted. A notch here for cutting twine in the garden, a nice sharp blade, and thumb notching for stability. And the handle is cut in size to my grip.
So what we did was we actually traced Destiny's hand so that we could design a handle that was going to fit well for her. And then I made this, not actually through forging, but stock removal, which is basically grinding away the parts you don't want. It's made of a 1075 carbon steel. The 1075 carbon steel is on the lower side of high carbon steels, but it's a very sturdy steel that can take a lot of abuse, and it still takes a really nice edge. And one of my favorite things about simple carbon steels is how easy they are to sharpen. So if you get them dull, they don't really fight being sharpened again like some especially stainless steels can do. We made the handle out of black walnut, which is probably from Maine, but I am not sure about that. It's a scrap that a friend of the family gave us. What I really like about black walnut is that's its natural color, so it hides dirt well, and if you scratch it, you're not revealing lighter wood underneath. And what we did to treat it was basically some Danish oil as well as beeswax to protect it against water. The sheath I made out of vegetable tanned cowhide. You don't want to use chrome tanned cowhide, not only because chrome tanned cowhide can corrode steel, but also it's horrible for the environment and the people who work there at the tanneries. The hexavalent chromium 6 in particular is some nasty stuff. So basically it's just a piece of vegetable tanned leather. It's stitched with artificial sinew, and then I've put some hammered copper rivets for extra strength at some of the stress points there. And then finally it has been treated with a beeswax based leather balm.